Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to make wishlist board private in Shein application on an Android device. Well, keeping your wishlist private ensures that only you can view the items you have saved. This protects your preferences, style choices, and purchasing intentions from being seen by others, providing a greater level of privacy and control over your personal information. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Shein application. Okay, so now look for the wishlist icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. After that, you can swipe to the right side to see your wishlist board. Okay, and here, click the three dots under the board you want to make it private. Okay, so here, select this option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to make wishlist board private in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.